How is this? Can we see? The cars. Us. Walter here. How you doing? Hold on. Let me see. Probably like this. Walter right here. Alright. This is how this is gonna go. A week ago, I came to my landlord like somebody stole my weed whacker. Remember that? You remember that? I was like, how could somebody steal a weed whacker, right? I was livid. Livid. I even put on a sign, "You're on camera." And they still had the audacity. Still steal. So, I'm not talking about that. A week ago, just found out tonight. Broad daylight. They stole his truck. So, a maroon, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. Stole it. In broad daylight. And this is what I'm talking about. My little weed whacker has no bearing. I was here. Now I know. But in Hackstown, on High Street, during the day, stole Robert's truck. Cops don't know what. They don't know what to do. So, this is basically how it works. Like with me. And probably the person that is laughing behind the wheel of that truck, sooner or later, I promise you, I swear on my grandmother, I promise you, we will meet face to face, and I will smile. And that's how it's gonna go. But if this is what Hackstown is gonna be, and the cops said it was a heroin addict, somebody like that. I was making sure it's still deep. I'm livid. I'm livid. I preached to this guy. I was like, why would he steal my weed whacker? He knew how hard I worked for it. And he never ever told me that his truck got stolen. You know. And it's just how it is. My little minuscule and the cops don't do nothing. Obviously, you know that. Everybody knows that. but a community. The community. Hi neighbor, how you doing? This neighbor, that neighbor. I'm saying it again. On video. Hold on, making sure it's taping. I'm getting that truck back. And when I find out who it is, we're gonna have a lot of fun with you, bruh. So, this is how it's gonna go. Number one, if you think that you came from like New York or anywhere far, and yet we don't like distance ourselves, or we don't branch out, like you're an idiot. I'll get you. I know chop shops. I'm getting that truck back. Your face is mine. Nobody touch him. Nobody touch him until I see him. Alright? Find him. Don't touch him. Rough him around a little bit. Not his face. Let me talk to him, alright? So for Grammy, my weed whacker has no bearing. Broad daylight. Stole a maroon pickup truck from our driveway. We'll handle it. And for the person that took it, I hope you see this. I will see you. That truck will be in this lot.